Today's topic is to filter a list which is based on the given list of a string. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method 1, that is a basic approach, and the method 2 by using a list comprehension. Let's start from the first method, that is a basic approach. So first we are going to initialize our list. The list 1, list 2 and the list 3 and a temp. The list 1 are those lists which we are going to filter into the list number 2. I mean those strings which are already substrings present in our list number 2. And the list 3 is the copy of our list number 2. And the temp in which we are going to store some temporary list of our strings. So after that we are going to use an iterations. So what is this iteration is going to do is it's going to go through each and every element of our list number 2, and after that it's going to go through each and every element in our list number 1, and after that it's going to check that if that list number 1 element is present in our list number 2 element or not. If it is present, then we are storing that temporary variable into temp list. And after that, we are going to another for loop over here. So what we're going to do over here is we are going to go through each and every element of our temporary variable which we have stored in the first for loop. And after that, we are comparing it that if that particular element is present in the list number 3 or not. If it is present, then we are removing that element, else we are storing that element as it is, and after that we have it as an output. So as you can see it over here, A, B, C, D and E, these 5 elements, they are already present in our list number 2, so that's why they all get removed from our list number 3, and the only remaining elements are F and to the G.